Real estate marketing on Instagram is one of the best ways to generate leads online. But truth be told, many real estate agents discard using Instagram marketing altogether. So the opportunity to thrive using Instagram alone is massive. Today, we create an Instagram ad that generates real estate leads without even having an Instagram page. Let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime, founder of Echo Real Estate Advisors. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Many real estate agents still see Instagram as a platform for only millennials.
Exactly in what area of technology are you proficient?
Snapchat, Pinterest, Instagram, Vine, Twitter, you know, the big ones.
I'm surprised you didn't say Facebook.
That's for old people like my parents.
But that is far from the truth. 77% of Instagram's audience is between the ages of 18 and 44. So the opportunity is huge. So as you know, there's a ton of real estate that happens between those two ages. Some people are getting their first house, some people are getting their second or third house. There's just a lot of real estate activity that you can be generating. Now, before we head to the computer, what has been your experience with Instagram? Is it part of your strategy? Do you have a winning ad there? Is there something that is helping you generate leads on Instagram? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, let's dig in. If you've run Facebook ads, this is going to look very similar to you because it is the same platform. So Instagram is owned by Facebook. So they use the same platform. The big distinction is going to happen in the ad set level where you're selecting your placements. But everything else is going to stay pretty much the same. So again, you don't need an Instagram page in order for you to run ads. It is amazing. So if you've been fearing all the videos and images and all the maintenance that you would have to do with Instagram, just know that one, you don't have to do that, but two, you don't even need an Instagram page in order for you to run an ad. So we're gonna begin. As a reminder, if you're running a credit, employment, or housing ad, which this case we will be running a housing ad, you have to select the ad that you're running. So the type of ad that you're running, as you are limited with certain targeting options, which I'll walk you through here in a few seconds. Just know that there is some limitations as opposed to if you were running other types of ads. Okay, we're gonna run a traffic campaign specifically for Instagram ads. We're gonna do traffic. And we are offering today, a list of homes. Go to continue. Traffic, list of homes. As far as who we're targeting, we're going to target people in Arlington. Interest, I have not decided yet, so I'll leave that blank and come back. We're going to send them to a website. So if it's your traditional website or a landing page, which I highly encourage that you use a landing page, not a actual website, because you don't want to confuse your audience. You want to offer something on your ad and then deliver on it as quickly as possible. So I recommend that you get a landing page. If you're looking for ideas or if you're looking for the exact landing pages that I use, they will be linked in the description down below. Feel free, you're more than welcome to use them. We're not going to worry about dynamic creative, although there are some pretty cool things there now, but I'll make another video about that one in the future. Offer, we're not going to worry about offers at the moment. All right. If you have a saved audience, know that within that saved audience, if you had interest or demographics that are no longer listed, that entire saved audience is not available to you anymore. So just know that you didn't lose the saved audience. It's just that they deleted it for you. Custom audiences, they will require that you sign off that they do not discriminate against people that they're actually protecting now. So there's a whole lot of issues with Facebook privacy and the fair housing things that were going on. So in light of that, they changed their ads in the summer of 2019. So if you have a custom audience, you just have to attest that it's good to go, that you're not discriminating in any way, shape, or form. Lookalike audiences are done away with altogether. You cannot do lookalike audiences if you're running credit, housing, or employment type ads. So in our case, this is housing. We won't have access to lookalike audiences, which is a shame. And then when it comes to geography, where you're actually advertising, you are limited to a 15-mile radius. You can't select a city by itself. You can't select a zip by itself. You are limited to 15, well, let me rephrase that. You start from 15 miles and then get larger. So you can't get down to that 1 mile mark that you used to be able to. Now it's a 15-mile radius minimum. So we're going to advertise in Arlington, which is going to get large, and there's going to be portions of Dallas, portions of Fort Worth. Now, as far as interest, we're going to go with house hunting. That's worked out well. I've been doing a lot of split testing with this one, Zillow, Trulia, and quite a few others. So house hunting has been working out quite well, except the restrictions with house hunting is you don't have as many people. As you can see, the reach is fewer. So in this case, you would actually go larger, which is not a bad thing. Depends on the farm that you're at. Which 1,800 is not bad. You can add some additional interest, which real estate would actually balloon it. See? We're going to take that out. We're going to say starter home. These are interests. These are not demographics. These are people that are interested in house hunting or similar pages like that, or interested in a starter home. So the interests are pretty cool to where you can actually reduce them down, but just know that the demographics and a little bit more targeted options are not available to you at this time. You can narrow down the audience, but you can't exclude people altogether. As an example, you used to run ads and exclude real estate agents so they didn't see your ads. Now you're not able to exclude anybody, especially off of professions. But just know that that's what's happening. As far as going into Instagram ads, before I go there, house hunting and starter home. Let me go up here. Hunting starter. Okay, just naming it out. I like to be consistent. All right, as far as what makes this an Instagram ad, we're gonna go to edit placements, and then we're just going to select, oh, they added Instagram Explorer. That's even cool. All right. Now we're just going to select Instagram options. Like Instagram's Explorer is something relatively new, which is super cool. We're going to have to check that out. But for all intents and purposes, Instagram feed and Instagram stories were primarily the avenues that you had to advertise in Instagram. So if you're looking for a way to advertise in Instagram, this is the way to do it. Note that Instagram feed and Instagram stories present differently, and you see right there what the some of what the differences are with the Instagram feed, the type of videos that you can upload, and the type of images that you can upload. It's more pronounced when we're creating the ad, especially if you're running a video ad. That's why I suggest that If you're running an Instagram ad, don't include Facebook, don't include other platforms that they suggest or show you to use. Go ahead and select something specifically for the platform that you're using, because the dimensions vary and they're different. All right, and we're gonna go with $20 is good. I like having an answer rather quickly, but $20, I mean, we're gonna go through this 20,000 people rather quickly. You want, that's fine. I do want to get the answer as quickly as possible. So a $20 daily budget is not a bad way to start. That way I'll know very quickly if an ad is going to be producing for me or not, or if I need to work on some other aspects of the ad. We're going to go to continue. One quick favor, if you're finding value in this video, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. All right, now we actually get to create the ad. Traffic, we're in Arlington. We are doing house hunting. And then we're going to do list of homes. All right. So the naming convention that I'm trying to follow is left-hand side, I want the campaign. The middle, I want the ad set. And then the right is a type of ad that I'm running. So I like to keep that consistent all the way through. All right, Facebook page is fine. So it's going to be showing as my Facebook page. It's not going to link up to the Instagram account that I have, because I want to show you that you don't need an Instagram account in order for you to run an ad. We're going to select just an image. We're going to go here, add an image. And for our purposes, I'm just going to show this. Now remember, you can turn images into video. So by doing that, you just go to turn into video and you can select different templates. They're just using different images that you select and are going to create it. Well, you see it right here on the right hand side. Create some sort of engaging video so it's moving and you get more engagement that way. Videos will almost 100% of the time outperform images, and that is a feature that Facebook has added / Instagram has added to make your advertising a little bit more, well, a lot easier actually. All right, we're just going to select an image for now. And then we're gonna go with our ad copy. So finding the right home can be a tough process. So with so many options, especially when you use third-party sites, which are plagued with inaccurate, outdated information. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here's a free list of homes under blank. Simple as that. That is spot on. Then you would put the landing page or website that you're using. Again, I suggest that you go with landing page. And you get to see what the ads actually look like. And go to the Explorer, you get to see what it looks like there. So this is a newer feature. This is something that came out about a month ago. So this is pretty cool. You get to see exactly what it looks like. It used to be up here on the banner where you had the opportunity to see the ad in action, but so far they've been doing some great changes to the entire platform, although the bad changes of them restricting the people that we could target, that's still bad. But as far as the actual imagery, that's still pretty cool. All right, and outside of that, that is all you need. Just make sure that your pixel is up and running. You want to collect as much data as possible, because in the very near future, especially with the latest changes on Facebook, you want to retarget all of the audience that you capture. So without the Facebook pixel, you're going to lose that capability. So at bare minimum, install the pixel and use it later. Quick question, are you using Instagram for your real estate lead generation? Let me know in the comment section down below. If yes, let me know the ads that you're running. What's been successful for you? If not, let me know what's holding you back. Outside of that, thank you for your time. And if you found value today, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so we can talk again soon.